Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problem. So the first step, click on the Windows icon, then click on the settings option, or you can right click on the Windows icon and you will see the settings option here as well. After that, on the left side, click on this gaming option. Now on the right side, you will see the option game mode, click on it and turn off this game mode. After that, on the left side, click on this system option. Now on the right side, you will see this option storage, click on it. Now you have to enable this storage sense option, so this will automatically free up the space and this will delete all the temporary and unnecessary files from your system. So turn on this option. After that, click on the system option again on the left side. Now on the right side, you will see the option of notifications, click on it and turn off all the notifications. You have simply click on this option, turn off this option, so this will turn off all the notifications. This is your first step. Now move on to our next step. Next method, disable all the startup applications. So for this, again, click on the Windows icon. Now in the search box, type here Task Manager. You will see this option Task Manager. Click on it. Now you will see the option of startup. Click on this tab, Startup tab, and these are the startup applications I have in my system. So you have to disable all the startup applications by right click on it and then click on disable all the startup applications you have in your system, and that's it. Now move on to our final method, our final step. You can try if your system is working very slow. You can use this method to speed up your Windows 11. Click on the Windows icon. Now in the search box, type View Advanced System Settings. You will see this option here, View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Now click on this Advanced tab in the Performance column. Click on this Settings option, and here you have these four options. So click on the third one, Adjust for the best performance. Select this option, then click on Apply, then click on OK, then click on OK, and that's it. So these are the methods you can apply to boost or increase your Windows 11 performance. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.